On the off chance that he takes out the power lines, I want to get it on video.
As it turns out, he did not take out the power lines. But welcome back for another video on the Bicentennial Barn renovation. Please, as always, support our efforts by watching the videos, clicking like, and subscribing to the channel to help us raise awareness. This video is about our construction of a parking lot for the barn. We had to rent excavation gear and get deliveries of gravel and sand to the site. We also hired an excavator to work alongside us and basically teach us how to use the equipment so we could do a lot of this on our own. One thing we realized very early on, we did not have enough dirt in terms of building up the parking lot. We were really stressed about it in the beginning, but a solution did present itself.
Okay, so here's what's going on. Right around the corner is a construction site with 9,000 cubic yards of free dirt that they will take here and dump for me. I got quoted $75,000 for 6,000 cubic yards of free dirt. So, I mean, we don't even need that much. I think my excavators are a little stressed. We gotta make a spot for them to dump it all. You can see in the back, I had them dump a bunch in a place where we don't really need it, just temporarily, to give them time to clear off the topsoil. So we're totally not ready for this dirt, but it's free and they're getting rid of it. So we're just scrambling to figure out what to do with all the dirt. I'm pumped because my parking lot's not gonna suck as bad as I thought it would. I thought it was gonna be all wavy and going up and down because I didn't have fill dirt because I can't afford it. Yeah, free dirt being dumped on my property. Yep, more free dirt being dumped. Oh yeah, the red dump truck, the black dump truck, and one other one. I think they only gave us 3 of the 5 because it's been the same guys the whole time. They said there was 5 dump trucks, which would have been a bit, I think, bonkers for the size of our site. I don't think we could have kept up with 5 of them.
Okay, as you can probably tell, I was pretty pumped about the free dirt. We basically just got gifted this from the barn gods on the exact day and time that we needed it. It just happened to be right around the corner, so that was good news. We got our dirt, we got our excavating gear, we kind of know how to use it at this point. The next step is to build the parking pad so we can put the gravel on top of that to build our full parking lot. So that's what we're going to do in the next video.